Hi friends! Welcome to JJ's Journey. Today we're going on an exciting safari adventure. We'll meet lots of animals and learn how to count. Are you ready? Let's go! Do you hear that? It sounds like monkeys. Look, there they are swinging on the trees. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 monkeys. Great job, everyone. Let's keep going and see who else we can find. Whoa, look at those elephants having so much fun in the water. Let's count them too. 1, 2, 3. 3 elephants. You're amazing at counting. Let's see what's next. Do you hear that? It's a flock of colorful birds. They're flying so high. Let's count them as they fly by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds? Wow, you're doing so well. Let's see if there are more animals to count. Look, everyone. All the animals are here for a big safari party. Let's count them one more time, all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 animals. Amazing work. You're all counting superstars. Give yourself a big round of applause. Thanks for coming on this safari with me. We had so much fun counting animals together. Don't forget to practice your counting at home, and I'll see you next time on JJ's Journey. Bye!